Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So we have Wrex, we have a XC60 and we have a DT4. So the DT4 is a great fit for the XC60. Also the DT11 is, but with the DT4 here at the minute in it. So we're going to test Wrex in it, so we are. And then we're also going to film him in it while we drive around, so you can see what sort of room he has and see that he's happy. And yeah, so okay, we'll pop him in so well and see how he gets on. So here, Rex. There we go. Good boy, good boy. Loads of room. So yeah, we'll go for a drive and let's see how he likes it. Okay, so we've got Rex in the back. We have the GoPro video in him here, and what we'll do, we'll go round the roundabout and see what way he's contained and how he's happy enough. And it is great for keeping them safe and contained while driving. They're not looking around them, and then you're going around a corner and they're all over the place. So it keeps them nice and contained. So a bit about the DT4. So the DT4 is 900 deep, 950 millimeters wide, and then internal dimensions it's about 630 millimeters internal dimensions. Yeah, so it's a great it's a good size of box. Now with the divide in place, a Labrador, even a lot of German Shepherds would be happy in one compartment of it, with divided. But with Wrex, he's about 55, maybe over 55 kg. It must get him weighed, but and he's sort of big and cumbersome Rottweiler. So I think he's much more comfortable with the divide removed. So we'll go round the corner here. So well, and I can see him on my phone. Usually I sort of leave the back window down, gives him enough ventilation. It's quite a warm day actually. I've got this here thing on, just the company colours and all that, always on brand. So but it is actually quite warm. But yeah, he's got loads of ventilation with the ventos to the side, and yeah, so we're going round the roundabout. As you can see there, he's happy enough, he's propped up. With dogs, you don't want them to have too much room. I think owners worry about how much more room a dog has more than the dog, but the DT4's a nice size for a big dog with the divide removed. He can park his bum in the corner like he is now, and yeah, he's happy enough. So we'll just do a wee U-turn here, and I'll hit the brakes and see how Wrex finds it. He's happy enough, he's nice and contained. And then whilst you're travelling down the motorway, you will find he'll just lie down. He's lying down fully at the minute, so he's happy enough. And he's got his nice veterinary bedding. Luckily enough, he doesn't know there's a camera there, because if he did, he would just get shy, or more than likely he would just chew the camera. So, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it, folks. I think this is a good way of demonstrating, how a big dog fits into a box that maybe isn't the highest. You are restricted with height of a lot of vehicles, but yeah, he fits in well, and he's nice and comfortable. And yeah, hope you like this, hope you find it interesting. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're always doing videos on our boxes and on stuff around the workshop and stuff. So thanks very much, and have a nice day.